Hello, and welcome to another update video about Polkadot. Polkadot hasn't really moved much since yesterday. The price is still consolidating below resistance. So the $7.93 level is the next resistance level we talked about in the last few days. That's where the Fibonacci resistance area is starting. And you can see the market can't really get above that level at the moment. So this would be needed, however, for further confirmation that we've really formed a more or less substantial low in this fourth wave on the 20th of December, because, see, the market has not really broken and sustained above this line, which is the wave one high. I mean, the market has tried, but the problem is there's directly the next Fib extension, and the 78.61 is a Fibonacci extension where the cryptos sometimes like to hover below a little bit. Link has done that now for a little while on a larger time frame. So yeah, I mean, the parameters remain unchanged. What we really would like to see is to keep this upside momentum intact. We want to see the price, first of all, break above $7.93 next, or let's call it the $8 level, and then also break above the next Fib level at 837. That would be ideal. An ideal target here for this internal third wave. By the way, I don't have any more micro counting here that I can do. There's no micro count that makes sense for this. I mean, it could be another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but looks a little bit out of proportion. It might even be that something different is playing out here. The micro count is not so important. What I think matters are two things. That this third wave, talking about the larger third wave, reaches $9.21 or higher. That's just, an ideal first target for the third wave. We want the price to hold above this level here at $7.10, this last swing low. And overall, the price just must break above this wave one high to technically also confirm a third wave is unfolding. What could still happen at this point is that the market falls back into support. So if the market falls back into the previous wave 2 support area, then I would call that as just a reset of wave 2. Sorry, not this one, a reset of this wave 2. Because while it is plausible that this wave 2 bottomed, yeah, I mean, Bitcoin is in an area where actually a price top could form locally now. We talked about that in the Bitcoin video. Now, that means DOT, ideally it will form its 5 waves before Bitcoin starts the pullback. So we have then possibly another, 1-2 setup here on the DOT chart, which could be a setup for higher prices. The problem is if DOT doesn't do it, ideally in the alternative scenario, here the area between 638 and 687 will hold, giving the market another opportunity in maybe a wider ABC structure to then go up. Yeah, that's all I can say, really. I mean, what it means is that, we are holding still above the last swing low, but the market doesn't have enough upside momentum to really break above that wave 1 swing high. Market needs to break above $8 next, reach $9.21, so $9.21 for this third wave to remain a viable third wave. If, however, the price breaks back below the last swing low, where the red line is positioned at $7.10, falls back into the support range between 638 and 687, assumption would be that the wave 2 did not finish on the 1st of January, but it's in fact still unfolding, and the market would then have to make another attempt to recover. That's the update about DOT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.